Timo says that we can do this, right? We have this that we want to solve, and we can solve it by dividing 15 by 3 and 16 by 4. Now, is this true? Over here on the right hand side, this is the same thing as 15 divided by 3 all over 16 divided by 4. So we have a fraction over a fraction, so that's the same thing as saying 15 over 3 divided by 16 over 4. Right? But now I can equate this into a multiplication. It's going to be multiplied by the reciprocal. That's 4 over 16. Okay? Now this, right? If I see here, there's a 15 divided by 16. We have a 15 and then divided by 16. But notice how this is 3 over 4. This is 4 over 3. Now this actually works because if I convert this into a multiplication, all I do is flip this, right? It's a reciprocal. So on the top we have 15 times 4, which we do. And on the bottom we have 10 times 3, right? Which is also good. Or sorry, this is 16. So 16 times 3. Okay, so this method works. So now if you try this with any random fraction, so a over b, right, divided by c over d, is this equal to a divided by c all over b divided by d? Okay, so if I do the same steps, right, I'm going to get here a over b multiplied by d over c, right, the reciprocal. So on top, I'll get a times d all over b times c. Here, if I use the same steps again, this becomes a over c divided by this fraction, b over d. That's the same thing as a over c multiplied by the reciprocal, so that's d over b. So yes, we still end up with the same thing, right? b times c is the same thing as c times b. So this works for any fraction.